Both receivers were not on the line of scrimmage. 5-yard penalty. Replay the second down.
I guess they must be
Kai?
They most certainly have to.
Don't wake Kai up because Kai's sleeping right
You're
now.
trying to move forward. You've got a 2-minute rule. You're getting yourself up over the years for Chicago. On 3rd and 2. He was trying to get it to Jeffrey, who was falling and Newman was on the coverage. They haven't talked much about the surface here in Chicago, but we've seen a couple of slips. Here, Adrian Peterson, we saw one easy. And just watch him as he comes out of his breaker. But a really good break there by Terrence Newman. Calls that incompletion.
Yeah, so that's my puppy.
Robbie Gould to try a 33-yard field goal now.
I'm gonna go play.
He hit from 55
I'm whispering
earlier.
this quiet. Cut. Yeah, I don't know why I'm whispering that quiet. Does not hear a thing today. She ain't my mom and my dad. Just do it. Just try it. So first you can see. There's no chair for me to sit in, so I'd stand up. Yeah, so guys, let's see if I can zoom it in. I can't. Okay, so let's go. Make sure you guys can see. My battery. It's done. I already beat the game already. Kill you, zombie. Watch this, guys. Watch this. I'm sorry. Don't be Don't forget to leave a like and a comment and subscribe, please. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know. Remember the spot? I mean, you don't remember the spot because last time I threw a zombie here, and I didn't post that video because you couldn't really see the Xbox how it was. Like right now, you can see kind of perfectly, kind of. Grappling hook, it's fine. Beauty of the zombie, which is now dead. Beauty of death. Goodbye. Oh, I missed. I wanted to drop kick him. I missed him. Drop kick. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, this might be a 10 or 11 minute video. I don't know. Yeah, I might stop it out of the room. Yeah, let's go do a scene. Let's go do it. Sad mission. Baby, hold on, let me check something what I craft. None of those. None of those. None of those. None of those. No. Alright guys, let's do the dimension. Let's do the dimension. That was really awkward. Yeah, I think it's some swamp down there. Oh, it's find Gasman's treasure. Oh no, find an apartment at Doma Street, 11 out of 2. I mean, oh no, it's not over insurance. It's over here somewhere. Oh, yes, it's over here somewhere. Those crews! Hopefully you guys can see it. Oh, I'm in the way. There you go. There you go. Alright, you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. 11 minutes. Yeah, I'm talking about 11 minutes. I died. Why did I die? I wonder why you guys can't see zombies. No connection. No connection. Xbox Live. What? Go Flynn or 9? This buddy like screw it. Just go to that. Just go to it. Options. Online. Friends only. Friends only. Dance. Oh, look at that, man. Fall down to the ground. Oh, that's only alive. Oh, no, he's dead. Run from the demolisher and then look at the demolisher and the dude. There's no way, no. Or the two demolisher and the dude.
Io speaking. Just wanted to remind you to not be playing heroes in the dark, huh? Get back here or find a safe house. You've got about 1 hour.
10 minutes, guys. Sorry guys, I think I might end the video here, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, hopefully you subscribe. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See you later. Bye. Peace out, son. Or peace out. Oops.